Alright, this one's running again. Look how frozen this is. Oh, and that compressor sounds terrible. That is ice. Dude, that is the thickest ice I have ever seen on an essential air conditioner. Well, this is a heat pump, so. This one is, I totally, well, I don't doubt this one's getting replaced, but this is definitely getting replaced with something. Maybe one day though. The panel's like almost coming off, as you can see. 2007 Carrier heat pump, running again with that frozen line right there. Flux here is off. Now it's got a very big compressor blanket. Alright. Oh, thanks for watching.